Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export voice messages from public channels on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to back up or save those important voice notes, this process is going to make it quick and easy. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. Click on it to expand the menu. From there, scroll down and select the option called Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several different sections, but the one we need is labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on Advanced to move to the next step. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you see the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the tool we'll be using to export the content you want from your account. Click on it, and a new window will appear with a variety of options for what can be included in the export. Since we're only interested in voice messages from public channels, uncheck everything else. Make sure to select only public channels. After that, scroll further down until you see the option for voice messages. Check that box to include them in the export, and then click on the Export button to begin the process. The export may take some time depending on the amount of data you have, but once it's done, you'll see a button labeled Show My Data. Click on it, and you'll be able to view and access all the exported voice messages from your public channels directly on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported your voice messages from Telegram in just a few minutes. This method is perfect if you want to organize, save, or manage your audio files outside the app while keeping everything safe and accessible. If you found these steps helpful, make sure to apply them next time you need to back up your data. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time searching through messages later on.